Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Welcome back
Good morning
to our live.
Welcome to our Chachago Kids Basketball League Season 8. We're live here on the 5th floor of Winterfine Building at Quezon City. Let's witness our first game. Pinos Barbecue versus Acro City.
TikTok. Okay, another day, another season 8 para sa ating Chachago Kids Basketball League 2025. This is our season 8 between the Vitos Barbecue versus the Acro City. And happy blessed Sunday to everyone na nanonood sa ating live, especially to all the parents from both team. Magandang umaga po. Okay, let's start. Let the battle begin. First ball. Mapupunta sa Vitos Barbecue. Oh, passing the wrong man. Oopsie. That's a traveling. Uy, libre, yun lang. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng Acro City. Jump shot, no good. Bola ng Vitos. Number 12. And the first basket by Kua. Or Chua rather. Para sa ating Vitos Barbecue. Kalasan. Uy, block. Pass to number 2. No good. Rebound there. There's a foul plus a basket count and one by jersey number 14, Montadora.
Number 98, Brian Santos, his first personal and first team foul for Venus Barbecue. Bonus field for Kendrick Montadora.
Oopsie. There we go, bola rito ng Vitos Barbecue. There's a blocking foul.
First team foul for Acro City.
First team pa. Uy, libre. Sayang, late lang. Number 12. Attacking the basket. Pass to number 8. Catch and shoot. Short. Rebound. I think that's a Bumatay. Oh, basket is good. By Santos. 4-2 ang ating talaan. Boy, number 2, pass to Kalasan. Kalasan. Get the shot, no good. And there's the foul.
Number 21, Ian Bumatay, his first.
That's Ian Bumatay. 14-second shot clock to shoot. Bola rito ng Acro City. Number 14 using their height advantage, and there's a foul. Number 12. That's Chua.
2 free throws for Candy Coquetona.
Coach, morning.
Morning.
All good. Rebound there ng Acro City. Number 2. Stop and pump. No good. Rebound by Ian. Pumatay. Pinasakit na. Ayan na. Dere-derecho. Too strong. Rebound by Santos. Santos looking for Ian. And that's a 3 seconds violation. Time remaining po natin 1 minute and 45 seconds. 4-2 po ang ating score. Kalasan. Tama yung score. Pumatay. Pass to number 8. Gets the 3. No good. Rebound by Ian. Pumatay. Running shot. Too strong. Rebound by number 12. But there's a foul.
Foul number 3. Sakari Gamboa.
Gamboa. That's the second personal foul by Gamboa. 13 foul. Chua in the first shot. No good. Second shot is good. 5-2 in favor pa rin sa Vito's Barbecue. Number 2. Naipit. Binigay sa small one. Kalasan to number 14. That's a traveling violation. Bumatay. Pinasa sa corner. Jump shot. Too strong. Rebound by number 14. Number 14. Oopsie, bad pass. Oy! For delaying the game for Hood Court defense. Sayang, munti ka na. 28.85 seconds remaining sa ating first 5. Oy! There's a foul. Pushing foul.
Pushing foul number 21 in the back of the second person. First free foul for Venus Barbecue.
Number 14, binigay. Jump shot short. 10-second shot clock to shoot. Last 18 seconds. Number 14. Pass number 2. That's a 3 seconds violation. 11 seconds remaining. Bumatay with the ball. Oh, steal by number 14. 3, 2, 1. And there you have it. Mandatory substitution.
Mandatory substitution.
The official score is 5-2 in favor of the Vito's Barbecue. Second 5 tayo. Ito ang ating first half o first quarter. Nagpalit na ng jersey pala dito sa Kalasan. Kala ko yung number 3. Get the number 0 for Across City. Ayan na. Number 36. Pinigay. Oopsie. Makakuha pa rin ng Across City. Oh, bad pass still. Ayan na si Santos. Oopsie. That's a traveling. Across City Basketball. Kalasan. Running shot, choosing the board, and the first basket this season by Kalasan. 5-4 tayo. Pumatay. May tanga ng bola. Pumatay with a cross, running shot, no good. Rebound. Ay na. Running shot, and there's a foul. Number 4. Kapay, brother.
That's the third free foul for Across City. 2 shots for Kat Chua.
Chua on the service area. Oh, sorry, free throw area. Basket. Thank you, Coach Tep. First shot is good para kay Chua. No good. Rebound. Ay na si Chua. Uy, naka-recover. No good. Rebound by Kalasan. Kalasan, may tanga ng bola. Nagmamadali. Kalasan na atake. And there's a foul and 1 by Kalasan. Number 0. Ayun siya. For 3-point play on the free throw area. Uy, basket. Change favor. Lamang na ang Across City. Number 12. Double dribble. Number 0. And that's a 3 seconds violation. That's Bumatay. All the way, no good. If I'm not mistaken, magkakampi sila dati. Di Kalasan and Bumatay. Ngayon, ay sila ay nagarap sa kanilang ngayong season. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng Across City. Oopsie. Step in on the line. Bola ng Vitos. Bumatay. Ayan na ang double team. Pinagay sa corner. Running shot. Basket para kay Santos. Dalik ang kalamangan sa Vitos Barbecue. Oopsie. Bad pass. Bola rito ng Vitos Barbecue. Calasan, running shot. Yes, sir. By Ian Bumatay. 10-7, 3-point lead para sa Vitos Barbecue. Calasan, Lehesi, atakihin ang tatlong depensa. No good, rebound ng Vitos. Ayan na, si Chua nagmamadali. Chua, there's a foul. Shooting on the line, the jersey number 12.
Regis Romero, his first personal 14 foul for Aqua City. 2 free throws for Matt
Chua. First shot is no good. Second shot para kay Chua. Basket. Official score is 11-7. Calasan with the cross. Ayun na ang double team. Nagarap na parehas point guard. Oh! That's a jump ball. Bola dito ng Vitos Barbecue. Last 46 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Bumatay, may tangan na bola. Bumatay, ayun ang matchup niya. Uy, nakalusot si Bumatay against Calasan. Ayun na si Calasan, gustong makabawi. Calasan, pinilit sa loob, and there's a foul by Chua. Time remaining, last 24 seconds. Ilan yung foul nun, kuya? Chua daw po, dalawa. Ian, tatlo daw po. Si Kian, pumatay. On the free throw area, jersey number 0, Calasan. No good. Second shot para kay Calasan. No good.
Warning in Aqua City for full court press defense.
Running shot, no good. Pumatay, bang! At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first quarter. Official score of 15-7 in favor of the Vitos Barbecue. Okay, lamang dito ang Vitos Barbecue by Coach Kevin. Second quarter tayo. Going to the second quarter. Oy, nice pass. Step back to short. Out of bounds. dito ng Vito's Barbecue. Santos, running shot, too strong. Rebound. Pass to Chua, no good. Sorry, that's Chua. Bad pass, steal ng Acro City. Number 2. Stop and pop, no good. Rebound there. Binigay kay number 2. Jump shot ulit, short. Rebound, makukuha ulit ni number 2. Number 2 with a Hesi, running shot, no good pa rin. Rebound na dito ng Vito's Barbecue. Ayun na si number 8. Oy, block by number 14. Nasa corner, Santos running shot, short. Rebound by number 14. Number 14, binababa ang bola. Ay na, atake. Running shot. Uy! Basket count and one. Kababala si Hentic. Monchadora on the free throw area for 3-point play. No good. Rebound ng Vitos. Nasa sa corner, no good. Pass number 2. Number 2. Running shot, no good. Rebound again. And that's a traveling violation. Pagaritahin ng Vito's Barbecue. Number 98, Santos. Pass to number 8. Pinasa, jump shot. In and out, rebound by number 77. And that's a technical for full court defense. Shooting at the line. Jersey number 3, Gamboa, for a bonus shot. No good. Second shot clock to shoot.
30-second shot clock.
Oh, steal! Number 8. Ay na, nagagawa, naka-recover ang Acro City. Number 27. Go, running shot, short. Rebound ng Vito's Barbecue. Oh, still like there. Ayan na. Crossover, sidestep. Uy, no good. Rebound ng Vitos. Ayan na. Timira, short. Out of bounds. Time out na po. Time out. Vitos Barbecue. Official score 15-9 in favor pa rin sa Vito's Barbecue. The time remaining 1 minute and 42 seconds sa ating first 5 ng second quarter. Number 3, binigay sa corner. Number 2, jump shot, no good. Rebound by Kendrick. Pass number 3, Gamboa, no good. Rebound ng Vitos Barbecue. Number 8, that's a traveling. Number 3, Gamboa, running shot, no good. Rebound by Kendrick. Oh, block by jersey number 19. Time out across the city. What a good defense there by the jersey Vitos Barbecue.
Seconds of the shot clock, 15 seconds to shoot.
Last 15 seconds. 50-second shot clock to shoot.
Shot clock at 15 seconds.
Running shot, basket by Gamboa. Ayan na ang Vitos. Santos, too strong. Rebound by Gamboa. Ayan na si Gamboa, nagmamadali. Gamboa, no good. Opposite, that's the traveling. Last 20 seconds tayo, ha? Uy, too strong. Rebound by Kendrick. 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a traveling. And the mandatory substitution. Second 5 tayo. Ayun na, second 5 tayo. Ay Kalasan. Lee. Para naman sa Vitos Barbecue nandyan si Bumatay. And nandun rin sa Chua Escalona. Okay, second 5 tayo. Let's go. Second 5 ng second quarter. Ooh, what a cross. Bumatay. Tumira. No good. Rebound. Makuha ni Bumatay. Pinasa corner. Santos. Running shot. No good. Oh, pass to Santos. Fake. Running shot. Basket. Santos. Kalasan, sidestep. Uy, walang tawag ang ating referee doon. Okay. Good daw po yun. It's a technical pa rin ba? Technical ang Acro City for full court defense. Ang titira dito ay si
Technical free throws for Trent Chua.
Chua on the free throw area. Swak na swak para kay Chua. 18-11. Bola pa rin dito ng Vitas to Barbecue.
21 seconds.
21 second shot clock to shoot. Bumatay, may hitangan ng bola. Bumatay, pinagay sa corner, bad pass. Nabitawan, and that's a Acro City basketball. Oh, steal. Number 8, binigay. Bumatay. No good. Rebound. Wala pa rin. Ayan na. Nabitawan. Makakuha. May kalasan. Oy! Tinayo. At traveling. Vitas Barbecue basketball. Number 12, basket yan. By Chua. Let's go. Kalasan. Oy. Running shot, no good. Rebound by Santos. That's a foul. Number 5 for full court defense.
Technical foul on Acro City for full court press.
Hindi pala siya technical, adi siya foul. Technical for full court defense. Chua on the free throw area. Basket. Akala ko nga rin pala. Time remain. Oh, pumasok. Bumatay. High na. Oy, nakalusot pero wala. Rebound by number 8. Pass to Santos. Running shot. No good. Rebound by Chua. And there's a foul. Number 0.
First season for Acro City. Free throws for Ben Chua.
Chua on the service on the free throw area. Oopsie. Second shot para kay Chua. Wala. Rebound. Get the shot. No good. Rebound by number 8. Bumatay. No good. Rebound. And that's a jump ball. Kalasan. May tanga na bola. Kalasan. Binigay. Number 8. Step back 2. No good. Oh, sorry, that's number 5. Ay na, wala pa rin. Rep. Steal by Santos. Outlet pass na Bumatay. Bumatay, pass to Chua. Wala, rebound. Makuha na Acro City. And that's a technical. For full court defense by jersey number 12. Rep. Basket. Thank you. Napasok yan para sa Acro City. Calasan. Ayan na, nakalusot. Calasan all the way. By Carmelo Calasan. Bumatay. No good. Rebound, Machua. Block by number 6. Number 6, nagmamadali. Ayan na. Pinasa. Pass to Calasan. Calasan! And one! And foul. Bonus shot para kay Calasan for 3-point play.
Ball number 98, Riley Santos, back to second. Second team foul from Venus Barbecue. Rim shot from Carmelo Calasan.
Calasan get the shot. Basket. Ay na, bumatay, nagmamadali. Pass to get the shot, no good. Santos with a spin, running shot, and one! Nakabawi ang Venus Barbecue doon by jersey number 96. Santos.
Regis Cotero, his second personal. Second team foul for Aqua City.
Last 47 seconds.
Riley Santos.
Oh, good! Rebound by Santos. Oy, wala! Rebound! Makuha pa rin ng Vitos. Running shot. Bang! By Rafael. 25-17. Calasan with the Hesi. Calasan step back to no good. Rebound by Calasan. Binomba, tumira, and there's a foul. And one by Carmelo Calasan. Grabe, batang to. Nagpapakitang gilas na ulit. This season 8. Carmelo Calasan in the bonus free throw for 3-point play. Last 18.1 seconds na lamang po ang natitira sa ating first half. No good. Rebound. Ayan na. Outlet pass. Binigay. Running shot. No good. Rebound by number 26. Pass to number 8. Number 5. Bang! Naihabol pa yun. What a nice shot by jersey number 5. Sa pagtatapos, that's Del Rosario. Okay, magkakaroon po tayo ng again, halftime shootout para sa ating tama ito. Matadagdagan natin ng puntos for halftime free throw shootout. Babalik tayo for the third quarter. Chip. Alright, back to the ball game. Third quarter.
Holding foul number 12, Brad Chua. His third personal first team foul for Venus Barbecue.
Steal. 5 bumatay. Official score po natin, 25-22. And take a shot by Chua. Kalasan, running shot. Uy, nag-iinit na talaga si Kalasan dito. 27-24. Bumatay na naman sa kabila. Uy, nakalusot pero wala. Rebound again by Bumatay. That's it, 3 seconds violation. Bola rito ng Acro City. Kalasan. Kick out. Guys, open man, bad pass, steal by Santos. Santos outlet pass to Bumatay. Bumatay all the way, yes sir. 29-24. Baba sa palit sa limang alamangan ng Vitos Barbecue. Kalasan with the Hesi. Kalasan binigay. Lee looking for his teammate. That's a 3 seconds violation. Bola rito ng Acro City. Oh, sorry, that's a Bumatay. No good. Rep. Foul number 12. Bola rito ng Acro City. Kalasan all the way. Grabe. Nakalusot si Kalasan.
Ilan timeouts meron ka?
Ayan na, 4 na. That's Chua. Jump shot. Wala.
Down.
Rebound. Kalasan nagmamadali. Ayan na. Uy! Good defense para sa Vitos Barbecue. Kalasan pass to Lee. Take a shot. No good. Rebound. And there's a technical full court defense. Rep, pengang space lang dito para makita ko lang yung ano, yung video, yung gitna lang. Sige lang natin dito. Pag nandito yung dito. Chua on the serve, free throw area. Swak masok. Tumutunog. Akyat sa 4 or balik sa 4 ang kalamangan ng Vitos Barbecue. Same ball tayo. Oy! It's a stepping on the line. Kitang-kita yon ng ating referee. Bola ng Acro City. Okay, oras. Game, 1 minute left. Oh, steal by Santos. Santos all the way. Oh, too strong. Rebound. Kalasan. No good. Asar that's Bumatay. No good. Ayan na. Calasan. Oy, no good. Rebound. Makukuha ni number 26. Looking for his teammate. Oh, that's a technical for hook court defense. Last 26 seconds remaining on the free throw area. Jersey number 6, number 5, Del Rosario. Wala. Bola. Tayo natin. Same ball tayo ng Across City. Ayan na. Calasan. And there's a foul, number 19. On the free throw area, choosing number 0, Calasan. First shot is good. Baba sa tatlo ang lamang. Pasok. Pasok. No good. Rebound. There's a foul again. Last 15 seconds.
Boys down. Our number 6, Regis Rodero, his first shot.
15 seconds left. Pumatay, may tangan ng bola. Pumatay, binigay. Get the shot. Yes, sir. Calasan for 3. And there you have it. End of the third. Mandatory substitution.
Mandatory substitution.
Second 5 tayo ng third quarter. 32-27, lamang pa rin ang Vita's Barbecue. Let's go. Second 5. Dora, binigay. Running shot, no good. Rebound. And that's a technical again. Across City for full court defense. Sino titira po, coach? Jersey number 21. Pumatay. Wala. Last 4 minutes and 44 seconds. Di pa mas. Wala rito. ng Vita's Barbecue. Bumatay, running shot, no good. Rebound. Nasa corner, jump shot, no good. Wala pa rin, number 18, basket. By Halili. 34-27. Number 3, that's Gamboa. That's small but terrible. Grabe, ang mga bata ngayon. Napaka-aggressive at shooter. Ay na, binigay sa loob. Number 98, pass to number 19. In and out, rebound. Santos! Basket by Santos. 36-29. Balik sa 7 ang Kalamangan. ng Vitos Barbecue. Number 2, pass to Gamboa. Too strong. Sobrang taas naman yan, idol. Bumatay. Oy, sidestep. No good. Rebound by Kendrick. Theodora. You get their height advantage. And that's a traveling. Ayun na. Bumatay with the ball. Yan na, sa corner. Number 19. Pinasa kay Santos. Too strong. Three seconds violation. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Ayan na. Si Gamboa. Uy, na price crossover. Looking for teammate. Pass to number 2. 1-3 ball. Looking for teammate. Pass to number 11. See? Pinigay. Steal. That's a traveling.
Shot on 14 seconds. Shot on 14 seconds.
14-second shot clock to shoot. Kendrick. Pass number 3. Gamboa running shot. No good. Rebound. Pass number 20. And there's a foul. Technical free throw for full court defense. On the free throw area, number 98, Santos. Wala. Bola rito ng Vitos Barbecue. Running shot, no good. Ayun na, nagagawan, binigay. Still. Number 2. Running shot. Wow! Estibaya. 31-36. Baba sa 5 ang kalamangan ng Vitos Barbecue. What a nice pass. Santos, wala. Rebound. Makukuha ni number 8. Number 8, and there's the foul. Time remaining, last 38 seconds. Number 8 on the free throw area. No good. Second shot. For jersey number 8. Uy! That's a violation. Bola rito ng Acro City. Let's go! Gamboa, may tanga na bola. Gamboa running shot, short. Makukuha ni Kendrick. Kendrick, 1 dribble shot. Ay, wala pa rin. Rebound by Gamboa. Pass number 11, C, no good. Rebound. 17 seconds. Ayan na si Santos. Nagmamadali. Uy, wala. Rebound. Number 8, no good pa rin. Rebound dito ni number 2. Estebaya, nagmamadali. Uy. Naka-recover. Oy! That's a traveling.
Dribbling violation.
A double dribble. Last 0.1 seconds. And that's the end of our third quarter. 36-31 in favor of the Vitos Barbecue. Alright. Lamang pa rin ang Vitos Barbecue ng 5. Dito na tayo sa pinaka-exciting part ng game. Ang fourth and last quarter. Tignan natin kung makakabawi or makakahabol dito ang Acro City. Fourth quarter, let's go.
White goal.
Okay, bola rito ng Vitos Barbecue. Nice pass and nice shot para sa Vitos Barbecue. Ayan na, Gamboa binigay, Kalasan pinasa sa corner, Estebaya with a shot, no good. Rebound, Del Rosario, nagagawan, steal ng Vitos Barbecue. Uy, bad pass. Wala dito ng Acro City. Ayan na si Gamboa, blocked by number 19.
Mga 15 seconds.
15-second shot left to shoot. Pass to Gamboa with the Hesi. Gamboa binigay sa gitna. Number 2, no good. Rebound by Bumatay. Bumatay, nagmamadali. Ayan na. Nabitawan. And last touch. Bola rito ng Vitos Barbecue. Oh, sorry, that's Acro City. Let's go. Ayan na. Estebaya. Pass to Kalasan. Kalasan binigay. Running shot. No good. Rebound. Nakuha ni Gamboa. Pass to Estebaya. Jump shot. Wala. Rebound. Makuha ulit ni Kalasan. Kalasan with Hesi. Blocked by number 19. Nakuha ni Gamboa. Whoa! What a nice shot by Gamboa. And another steal by Kalasan. Kalasan, no good. Rebound by Gamboa. Nagagawan. And save ball. Baba sa 5 ang lamang. Ganda ng ating opening marks. Opening game. Pumahabol ang Acro City. Binigay kay Gamboa. Naka-recover. Del Rosario. Pass to Gamboa. Gamboa. Nakalusot. Too strong. Rebound. Makukuha. Ayan na. Lee. Number 8. Nakalusot ang Vitos Barbecue doon. Ayan na si Gamboa again. Nagmamadali. Gamboa. Spin. Pinigay. Pass to Gamboa again. Gamboa. Uy. Louie. Estebaya naka-recover. Estebaya, good. And that's a 3 seconds violation. Ayun na. Outlet pass. Binigay kay number 22. Tan. Pass the corner. Bumatay. Bang! Nakasagot agad si Bumatay doon. Ayun na. Del Rosario, binigay Estebaya, catch and shoot, too strong. Rebound by number 8. Oopsie, bad pass. Out of bounds, bola rito ng Across City. Ayan, our Perez enjoying the game. Kalasan, sidestep. Oh! Nakasagot si Carmelo Kalasan. Ayun na, Bumatay. Outlet pass, binigay. Pass to number 8. Number 8, nakasagot si number 8. 44-33. Kalasan, nagmamadali. Kalasan, ayan na! Nakasagot din agad si Carmelo. Bumatay looking for his teammate. Binigay kay number 8. And that's a lifting violation. Time remaining 5 minutes and 15 seconds.
5:24.
Mandatory substitution tayo. Sinagpahinga muna dito sila Gamboa. Pero pasok si Carmelo sa loob. Naghahabol ang Across City dito. Let's go. Carmelo. Pass to Kendrick. Binigay. Pass to Del Rosario. Del Rosario binigay sa loob. Number 28. And that's a traveling violation. Ayun na, pwede tayo mag-full court press defense. Ayun na, si Bumatay binigay. Oh, steal by number 26. Number 26. Inahabol ni Bumatay at na-steal na nga. Ayun na si Bumatay, nagmamadali. On the way, wala. Rebound. Pass na Bumatay sa corner, wala pa rin. Oh! But there's a foul, number 5, Del Rosario. Gamboa coming in. And the free throw area, jersey number 12, Chua. First shot para Chua, basket. Time remaining 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Second shot, no good. Ayan na. Nagmamadali. Spin move. Get the shot. Wala. Rebound. Outlet pass there. Number 8 steal. And out of bounds. Pass to Bumatay. Running shot. No good. Rebound by Chua. Wala pa rin. Good defense para kay Kendrick with a rebound. Oh, there's a foul. Number 12, Chua, graduate. That's a fifth foul. para kay Chua for this season. Ang ating unang graduate ngayong season 8. Pero tingnan natin kung madadala ng team nila Bumatay ang laro. Pass to Kalasan. Ayan na, nagagawan. And that's a jump ball. Bola rito ng Vitos Barbecue. Time remaining 3 minutes and 43 seconds. 14-second shot clock to shoot. Ayun na. Oy, steal by Del Rosario. And a step in on the line. I'm out. Vitos Barbecue. Tignan natin ang huddle ni Coach Kevin. Time remaining 3 minutes and 35 seconds lamang po ang natitira. Eight-point lead para sa Vitos Barbecue.
Now about 14 seconds.
Let's go, 14-second shot lang. Bumatay, tatanggap ng bola. Bumatay, binigay. Bad pass ni Santos. Nabitawan. Kalasan. Side step. Oh, no good. Rebound by number 19. That's a jump ball. Time out. Acro City. With the time remaining 3 minutes and 3 seconds. Tignan natin ang huddle. Coach Nika, or coach na Acro City rather. Back to the ball game with a score of 45-37. Time remaining 3 minutes and 3 seconds. Bola rito ng Acro City. Mahaba-haba pa ito. Ayun na. Kendrick up and under, and there's a foul.
Second free throw for Vitos Barbecue.
Kendrick Teodora on the free throw area. First shot, no good. Second shot para kay Kendrick. Wala. Rebound. There's a foul.
This is now number 14, Edwin Montecura. His first.
Bola rito ng Vito's Barbecue. Pumatay, steal by Kendrick. Kendrick, binigay. Estebaya, bad pass. Nabitawan ang bola ron. Vito's Barbecue Basketball. Binigay. Makukuha ni... Ay na. Santos, may tanga ng bola. Santos, pinasa. Tumira si Bumatay. Wala. Rebound by Kendrick. Oh, steal. Number 19. Basket. By Halili. Ayan na. Last 2 minutes na lamang tayo. Kalas. Oh, sorry. That's Gamboa. Spin. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha ni Gamboa. Pass to Kendrick. Binigay. Estebaya. Too strong. Rebound by Kendrick. Get the shot. Basket yan. Balik ulit. Sa 8 ang alamangan ng Vitos. Oh, steal! Pass to Kalasan. Step back to... Wala. Rebound by Kendrick. Wala pa rin. Another rebound. Pass to Kalasan. Kalasan. Step back to... Wala pa rin. Rebound. And a last touch. Bola rito ng Vito's Barbecue. Time remaining, 1 minute and 20 seconds tayo. Ayan na, si Bumatay. Ang triple team, pass to Halili. Pinigay to Santos. Santos, ganda ng break doon. To Halili. Halili looking for his teammate. Pass to number 8. Jump shot, no good. Rebound, Santos, wala. Rebound by Kendrick. Kendrick, ayan na. Si Kalasan, outlet pass to Estebaya. Out of bounds. Last 54 seconds. 54 seconds na lamang po ang natitira sa ating laban. Ayan na. Spin. Santos, binigay. Pass to number 22. Tan all the way. No good. Rebound. Number 8. Yes, sir! By Rafael. Balik sa 10 ang alamangan. Ayan na si Gamboa. Ooh, there's a foul. Number 19, Halili. Sub. Kaya pasok na. Pasok na, be. Pasok. Escalona coming in.
Ba't binigay dito nila ba?
Gamboa in the free throw area. Basket. Last 35.4 seconds remaining sa ating 4th and last quarter. Gamboa. Second shot. Wala. Rebound by Bumatay. Bumatay looking for his teammate. Binigay kay Santos. Santos. Oh, still. Naka-recover si Bumatay, but there's a foul. And that's at 8 seconds. Violation. Last 23 seconds remaining. Bola rito ng Acro City.
Top of 14 seconds.
Guy Kendrick, pass to number 3. Running shot, no good. Rebound by Bumatay, but there's a foul. Number 14.
Time remaining 18.5 seconds.
That's a traveling. Oh, steal! Calasan! Basket! 49-42, and that's a jump ball. Last 5 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot.
5 remaining, 5 seconds.
Ayun na, Santos. 4, 3, 2. All the way in and out. And that's the end of our first game. Official score 49-42. Panalo po ang Vito's Barbecue. Congratulations and nice game para sa Acro City. Vito's Barbecue won the first game sa ating laban. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.